This 2026 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 25L141 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.